Welcome to another episode of Armed and Educated with your boy Man with the Plan. Today, I'm going to be changing out my forward assist on my AR-15. I got this from Strike Industries. Gold forward assist to match my gold takedown pins I got. Everything you need comes in a package, the spring and a new pin. Simple process, we'll get started. Alright, first thing first, before I get started, I'm gonna safety check the weapon and clear it. As you can see, it's empty. And I'm gonna remove my red dot. So this is the original forward assist that I'm gonna be changing out. And all we gotta do is hit this pin, knock this pin out, and replace it. So to make it easier for me, I remove my bolt carrier and my charging handle. Charging handle usually was sticking away, but that way I can get right to this hole. And that's where you're gonna punch the pin out of. So I had a little trouble getting that sucker out. I done broke my punch trying to get it out. I had to improvise and use one of these Allen keys, but I got it all out. Now it's time to go ahead and install the hex. So the most important part you want to remember when installing a forward assist is you want to make sure the teeth, that groove, is facing the bolt carrier, because that groove is going to sit in between these right here. That's what help forward assist in them serrations right there. So make sure that you're facing that way, facing the bolt. And once you get your forward assist in, push it all the way in and knocking the pin down.